Hi everybody, it's FIBO Group and you are watching to the Market Watch review. The hawkish comments of Fed Chair Powell have stoked an increase in yield and lit up the dollar. Today, the dollar is on the rise against all currencies. The most resilient currencies in the Antipodean are the yen and the Norwegian krone. Today's dollar is at 121, having started last week around JPY 117.30. The region's Asian equity markets advanced the most. European bourses show a slight upside bias, while U.S. futures are not significantly changed. Gold is holding steady within yesterday's range, according to commodities. After completing a retracement at $113.35, May WTI is moving lower. Asian Pacific market. Japan has removed some COVID restrictions from Tokyo and other outlying areas. This will set the stage for recovery in the second quarter. The COVID restrictions and the earthquake that struck earlier in the month have hampered the third largest economy in the world. The dollar has extended its gains against the Japanese yen and is now testing the JPY 120.50 level. These lofty levels have not existed in the past 7 years. Today's Australian dollar trades within yesterday's range of $0.7375 to $0.7425. Market of Europe. The debate over whether Russia can be banned from the EU oil imports is continuing and is one of many drivers of oil prices. Tomorrow is an important day in the UK. The February inflation rate is expected to accelerate. Swaps market prices in a 25 basis point increase at the Bank of England's next meeting. His spring statement will be delivered by Chancellor of Exchequer Sunak. Sterling is doing better, but sterling remains at the third consecutive session of the range that was forged on 17 March. After falling to $1.0960 for 4 days in late Asian turnover, the euro recovered to close to 1.1015 in European morning. The $1.1020-1.1040 region is close to resistance. Market of America. Yesterday, Powell, Federal Reserve Chair, reaffirmed his hawkish message and said that the central bank was ready to move faster and further. As one would expect, the market responded and raised the possibility of a move of 50 basis points at the 4th May meeting. It's a light economic calendar in North America right now. Mester, Dolly, and Williams, the Fed's Mester, Dolly, and Williams, speak. Mester is a FONC voting member, and Williams, president of the NY Fed, has a permanent vote. The U.S. dollar is slowly recovering from yesterday's dip to CAD 1.256565, its lowest point since January. It is now back above 1.26 in European morning. That's all for me. Closely monitor the news background and be prepared for all the surprises of the market.